And we're here today to discuss harnessing digital PCR for rapid sterility testing in cell and gene therapies and other advanced biologics.
This is exactly why rapid sterility method would be crucial. But the good news is that the pharmacopoeias also give us some room for movement. In fact, they explicitly permit alternative rapid microbiological methods, provided we demonstrate equivalence to the compendial test.
I mean, it's also a question of the urgency and the need of the product. And in this perspective, I would say such a method gives you a good option.